Want to keep certain apps off your home screen without deleting them? There are a few ways to do this on iPhone depending on how hidden you need them to be. Move apps to the app library. The quickest method. Touch and hold the app on your home screen until the menu appears. Tap Remove App, then tap Remove from home screen. The app disappears from your home screen but stays in the app library where you can still open it or search for it any time. If you need stronger privacy, there are additional options. Screen time can restrict access to apps, while iOS 18 and later lets you completely hide and lock supported apps using Face ID. Hide apps with screen time. Go to Settings, then Screen Time. If screen time isn't set up, tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. Set a screen time passcode so others can't undo what you're about to do. Then go to App Limits or Content and Privacy Restrictions, depending on what you want to restrict. From there, you can limit app access or hide certain built-in Apple apps. In iOS 18, Apple added a much more direct way to lock and hide apps. Hide and lock apps. Press and hold any supported app, then tap Require Face ID, followed by Hide and Require Face ID. The app moves to a hidden folder in the app library and is protected with Face ID. It won't appear in search, Siri suggestions, or notifications until you authenticate with Face ID. This is the cleanest option if your iPhone is running iOS 18 or later. For most people, removing an app from the home screen and using the app library is enough. The iOS 18 Hide and Lock feature is the best option if you need real privacy. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.